Uniting for success, understanding, a unity of purpose. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and inspirational phrase, a unity of purpose. This expression is not just about language. It's about collaboration, motivation, and achieving goals together. Stick around as we explore its meaning, usage, and why it's so powerful in both personal and professional contexts. A unity of purpose refers to a situation where a group of people come together, sharing a common goal or objective. The key components here are unity and purpose. Unity signifies togetherness or harmony, while purpose relates to a shared aim or goal. When combined, they highlight the strength found in collaboration towards a common aim. Why is a unity of purpose so significant? It underscores the idea that when individuals align their efforts towards a singular objective, their collective power is magnified. This unity can drive teams to overcome obstacles, innovate, and achieve what might seem impossible on an individual level. It's a reminder that togetherness in intent and action can lead to remarkable outcomes. Let's look at some examples to see how a unity of purpose plays out in real life. Sports teams. Winning a championship requires every team member to work together with the common goal of victory. Work projects. Successful projects often come from teams who share a vision for what they want to achieve, whether it's launching a new product or reaching a sales target. Social movements. Many social changes have been driven by groups united by a desire to make the world a better place, demonstrating the phrase's power beyond the business world. Creating a unity of purpose isn't always easy, but it's achievable. It starts with clear communication of the common goal, ensuring everyone understands and agrees with the objective. Building trust among team members is crucial, as it encourages open dialogue and collaboration. Finally, celebrating small victories along the way can maintain motivation and reinforce the collective commitment to the goal. A unity of purpose is more than a phrase. It's a principle that can lead to success in various aspects of life. Whether you're working on a team project, part of a sports team, or contributing to a social cause, remember the strength found in unity. We hope this video has illuminated the power of coming together with a shared goal. Together, we can achieve the extraordinary. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language and its nuances.